Okay, GMB, workout number 2 of week 6 already. Workout that we've done in previous weeks. Okay, simple workout style. It's called the pyramid style. Okay, here's what you got to know. Here are the 3 moves: a split squat with your right foot forward, a split squat with your left foot forward, and a toe touch. So leg, and an ab move. All right. Here's how you're going to set it up basically. I'm going to use beginner as the example. Okay, so your goal is to get to 5, so that's the top of the pyramid. Okay, you're going to start out doing 1 repetition of each. Pretty simple. That's the bottom of the pyramid. Okay, take a little break. Next round you're going to do 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, once you get to the point where you're 5 of each, that's your goal for beginner, then you're going to do the same thing but subtract. So you're going to descend down the pyramid, okay? So then you do, after you get to the top and you're doing beginner, you do 4 reps of each, take a break, 3 reps of each, all the way till you get down to 1. Once you get past 1 and you're at 0, you're done with the workout. Obviously, if you're doing intermediate, you're doing a significant amount more reps, and same thing with advanced, they're going to take a little bit more time. Beginner is going to take anywhere from 3 to 7 minutes. We're looking at probably 5 to 12 minutes for intermediate, but depending on how much you rest between each round. And then this one's going to take you to around the 25-minute range, or an episode of The Office on Netflix. All right. Not even going to go crazy into demonstrations here. Okay, it's very, very simple. I'm going to demonstrate just a couple easy parts of the split squat, left and right. When it says RL for split squat, that's just which foot is forward. Okay, start with your weak side forward. So a lot of you, it's your left side. So I'll put my left side forward first. I'm going to drop my right foot back. My back knee is going to be touching the floor as if it's cracking an egg almost, or very, very lightly. So I'll lower down, hands either at my hips or just in the air. I don't want to touch my thigh. Lower down so I almost touch the floor, and then go up. That's 1. I'd move on to the next move, which is the same thing but next leg. So my right foot's forward, going wide and down, slowly up. That's 1. Okay, and then the last move is a toe touch. Okay, so I'm getting onto the ground. I'm going to raise my feet up as straight as possible. Get my way out of the couch. Put my hands up. If I can't reach all the way to my toes, that's fine. I'm trying to touch my toes. As long as I get a good crunch in those abs, even if I'm going halfway, that's fine. Okay, that'd be 1 round. Okay, the next round you'll just add a repetition. So I do 2 of each. Okay, let me just quickly show you an easy version of each move. Okay, so for the split squat, same thing for both. Okay, just matters which foot's forward. Okay, instead of going all the way down like this, we're going to cut the range of motion in half. So you're going to do half split squats. Okay, so if you're getting tired, okay, the first one's too hard for you, do that. To make the split squat more difficult, okay, we're going to elevate our back foot. So rear foot elevated. Okay, going all the way down, all the way up. This is a really good leg and glute work out. Okay, the rear foot elevated. That's the hard and easy modifications for the first move. For the second move, okay, I'll show it from this angle. Instead of putting my feet straight up, I'm going to bend my knees, and I'm just tapping. Okay. Remember, pick something appropriate, or how much, it depends on how much time you have or who you're working out with. Choose an appropriate goal. You don't have to necessarily do 5, 10, and 15. Maybe you could do 7. Okay, you start with 1. Do 1 of each, take a break. Then you go into 2. Do 2 of each, take a break, all the way till you get to your goal. That's halftime. Get a drink, take a slight break, not too long, and then you're going to subtract till you go all the way down the pyramid. Okay, have a good day.